Who is that, Moses? Can you say hello? Say hello. Who is that? Yes, hello, my Moses. Yes, give her some space. Let her go, Moses. What are you doing, Moses? What are you doing? You doggies want to go outside? Want to go outside? Okay, come here. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. We'll go outside? Come here, little girl. There's some water. Look, there's some water. Over here. There you go, good girl. Who is she, Moses? You want to go outside? He's a good girl. Don't you worry about him. Good girl. Oh, Moses, don't hog them all. Terrible. Gotta share. Give her Hedgie. She wants a Hedgie. It squeaks. Good girl, yes! Good girl! Yes, a good girl! Moose, no. Go ahead, good girl. Go on. Good girl.